Hello friends, welcome to EC Academy.
In this lecture, let us understand comparators with hysteresis. If input to the comparator contains large amount of noise, then the output will have error when the input is near the trip point. So trip point is the point where the output changes from one state to another state. So we can say when the input of comparator consists of large amount of noise, then the output will have an error when input is near the trip point. One way to avoid or to reduce noise is by using a comparator with positive feedback. So we can use a comparator with positive feedback to reduce the effect of noise. Whenever we use a comparator with positive feedback, it produces two separate trip points, as you can see in this input-output response, that will avoid the error at the output. A comparator with positive feedback is also known as Schmitt trigger. So this figure shows inverting Schmitt trigger where the input is connected to inverting terminal and the feedback is connected to the non-inverting terminal. This type of connection is known as inverting Schmitt trigger. Since input is connected to inverting terminal, output will be having 180 degree phase shift. That's why we call this circuit as inverting Schmitt trigger. When the comparator is positively saturated, then the positive feedback voltage holds the output at high state. When the comparator is negative saturated, the negative feedback voltage holds the output in low state, as you can see in this input-output response. The feedback fraction can be given as B is equal to R1 by R1 plus R2. When the output is positive saturated, then we can write V reference is equal to plus B into V saturation. And when the output is negative saturated, then V reference will be equal to minus B V saturation. Now let us understand this hysteresis or input-output response. As output is positive saturation and the input voltage increases, the output will remain positive saturation itself. As the input voltage increases slightly above V saturation, the output switches from plus V saturation to minus V saturation. So the output will move from high to low. Now if input voltage decreases, then the output will still remain in minus V saturation. As input voltage slightly increases above minus V saturation, the output will switch from minus V saturation to plus V saturation, which means the output will move from low to high. From this figure, we can understand that we are having two trip points where the output state changes. The upper trip point can be given as BV saturation and the lower trip point can be given as minus BV saturation. The difference between the upper trip point and lower trip point will give us the hysteresis. So this hysteresis can be given as H is equal to 2B V saturation. This figure shows the non-inverting Schmitt trigger. Since the input is connected to non-inverting terminal and the feedback is also connected to non-inverting terminal, that's why it is known as non-inverting Schmitt trigger. Here, when the output is negative saturated, the output will remain same or the output will remain in minus V saturation as input increases. As the input voltage increases just above the upper trip point, the output will move from minus V saturation to plus V saturation. So we can say the output will move from low to high. When the output is plus V saturation, when the input voltage decreases just below lower trip point, the output voltage will move from plus V saturation to minus V saturation. So the output will switch from high to low. So this response is for non-inverting Schmitt trigger. So this response is known as hysteresis. The upper trip point can be given as R1 divided by R2 into V saturation, and the lower trip point can be given as minus R1 divided by R2 into V saturation. This is about comparator with hysteresis. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.